When considering Renty as your property management software, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. Compared to its competitors, Renty offers some unique features, but there are a few things you'll want to fully understand before jumping in. The first thing to note is that Renty is known for its ease of use. Many property managers find it intuitive right out of the box. But while the interface is user-friendly, it may feel a little basic if you're looking for advanced customization options, something competitors like Buildium excel at. Next, Renty does offer a solid online payment processing system. Tenants can pay rent through the platform, and you can track payments effortlessly. However, some users have mentioned that it lacks certain features, like automatic late fee application, which competitors such as Appfolio provide more robustly. The third thing you should know is that Renty comes with tenant and lease tracking features. While this is great for smaller property portfolios, larger property managers may find that Renty's reporting options fall a bit short compared to other software like Renty Direct. The fourth thing to consider is Renty's maintenance management system. It does the job, but it's not as comprehensive as some competitors. For instance, platforms like Propertyware allow for more advanced tracking and reporting for maintenance requests. Moving on to the fifth point, Renty integrates with accounting software, making it easier to track income and expenses. However, some users report that the accounting features are basic, and if you're running a larger business, you might find systems like Yardi a better fit for more advanced financial tools. Next thing to note is that Renty provides decent communication tools for both tenants and property managers. However, the system could use improvements in automated notifications, which competitors like Cozy do well in. The seventh thing to understand is that Renty's mobile app leaves a bit to be desired. While it allows for basic property management tasks, it's not as feature-rich as the apps offered by other platforms like Appfolio. The eighth thing is that Renty does offer decent customer support, but there are occasional complaints about slow response times. For critical issues, other providers with 24/7 support, like Buildium, might be a more secure choice. The ninth thing you should know is that Renty offers online lease signing, which is a major plus for remote property management. However, some users have reported minor glitches with the e-signature process, something more seamless with platforms like Renty Direct. Moving on, the 10th point, Renty offers limited marketing tools for landlords trying to attract new tenants. If you're looking for something more comprehensive with built-in listing syndication, platforms like Renty Direct or Propertyware might suit you better. Next thing to consider is that Renty is scalable for small to mid-sized property portfolios. However, for large-scale property management needs, other platforms like Yardi or RealPage may offer more enterprise-level solutions and features. The 12th and final thing to know about Renty is that it offers a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself before committing. But while it's a good option for smaller portfolios or those just starting, if you're looking for a more feature-packed, customizable solution, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. Overall, Renty is a solid choice, especially for those managing fewer properties. But if you need more robust features or better scalability, our recommended solution might be a better fit for your business needs.